epala brownish domangwe.
I usually hold till 0.01, it's on a 5K. By 0.
You know, King Blue, you know when last did I see 0.1 via maybe 4.5? Maybe it was a year before last year I choose. That was
Mana, you remember by the time you was at Devon, you was in charge 0.01. I told you like let me see your entry. The next thing you saw 4K. You remember?
oh yeah.
Yeah.
But that was fast. I mean, Pella, like that was fast. I mean, technically, not fundamentally, Joe. Technically, namfana yay. Didn't work say corner like I can't now. You like.
I wanna know now I can hold. Like I know that I can hold. Mara, like if I can open like a lot size, like from 0.20 size, hey Joe, now I can't be holding for.
Marabone, you hold well over till a margin call. So
yeah.
Obviously, one has get bar fast. Let's say it's just a lot size, maybe 0.10. It has to go each in 3. 0.1 has to go 5,000, which is 50,000. You know, it's Kimble. I never saw anyone. I thought 0.10 50,000 in our group. Oh, I only see 7K. And what I even moved. If it goes 7K, they even move. That thing can move.
Like sometimes, like I remember actually one. Like I entered Demon with 1.3. I saw like 15K. Why it's like I wanted to hold me, but then the thing I funded with 1.3. Hey, it wasn't sitting me well.
When if a person tells you to hold, you don't hold. But if a person say exit, that's when you hold. Be like, yeah, I'm holding.
I'm holding. Yeah, and I'm like
that. Now market is no longer the same. The market, even like 3 months back, 4 months back, things change, man.
Usually I hold till 0.01. It's on a 5K. Yo,
like the market used to go, Joe. 0.1. One of my students once held 0.1. I cannot 10K. I funded 10K. That person hold until it comes back. I cannot lose and eventually blow the account. It means that person holds 20K. Hey, Pelabo, Nagrilar 10. Better 10 ya profit. Yeah, better 10 ya. 0.01. No fight. 0.01.
From the turning point at 10K profit to the loss at 10K, it's 20K.
It's 20K. Man. Got that entry. And that student was brave. And I regret because he asked me when he was like 3K. He was like, can I exit? I was like, man, where did you take the abilities to hold it?
Like, you saw 10K with 0.01. Just imagine 10K.
And technically, like he healed for like 3 days. When I have 10K, demand. I will blow 3 days. 1 day fail. 1 day. 4 hours. 4 hours fail. Gone.
I felt like that one. 0.01 and like
Said you wanna invest. I choose the man was investing. You know that 0.01 can make $1 million if you're investing.
It can make $1 million. It depends like when are you entering
it was last year's market. Remember last year's market nearly like brilliant until like he was gonna get it. I think he was gonna get it.
You know, if 0.01 can run like from 10K to 10K loss, why is it like how many points is that, man?
CPI is coming. Brokers gonna make us refuse. If they know brokers, they refuse us to enter. Imagine.
No, but like I feel like I can talk to both markets on 5 like no about again, guys. Hopla regitsana ka 29. The start of not gonna fail. Like I just want to enter, even if I don't close
Hey. Now my account they make sure that I close. If you don't allow me to close, I'm gonna make $1 million. Remember that day? That day they didn't allow me to close. How much did I close? More 150,000. If you don't allow me, I'm not like a cruiser.
I feel like they can allow they can see this is my account and then be like, okay, Karabo can enter the rest of codes. Yes, sir. CPI.
Mara, I think people catch feelings. Mfana, that's why, because now for us when it says off code, we know it's part of the game, but they are playing their part. You just have to come up with another idea.
And that of course, man, it's like why is it of course like because like they give us a certain price, like that price, if it passes before CPI, from that price you're gonna see of course until it comes back there.
Now if the code, I just withdraw my man, but I know my heart will never.
I told you last time, man, like I didn't even
Not
hesitate.
choosing
Like,
a fund 2,000, no, I will never. Now if I find my money, it should blow or make money.
yeah, exactly. I'm not
I have to
you saw it, when I was running no 125K and I'd be like holding my 10K. I was like, should I follow? Hey,
when was that?
Last time, the time like you intended buying CPI, then it sold.
Oh, that day.
Yeah, I was like, hey, let me just follow. But hey, I am right, chief.
Ninja, let's make our own broker and manipulate. We can make a lot of money. Trust me, bro. the manipulate part.
Like no.
Plus, us we can analyze and know the direction. But if I want to buy, better spikes and selling you.
And like, I wanna the only thing that I respect, me. I wanna spikes a CPI. Pan, that's the best spike ever, pan.
The one that once took you out to find 10K.
Yeah, that one was the best. Like since that day, I learned a second. Yes, can humble your day,
But it was your book and you were gonna survive.
Yeah, and I was gonna survive.
That was how we were gonna survive, Maravel.
Although I'm not sorry, then Karawe, he can be our CEO. Hey. CEO boy, CEO or power and CEO. One of our CEO. Now we will follow.
Do you know like I'm NFP and this one they don't know what they're talking about.
They don't know. Do you know spec of FMC? Joe, when FMC spec say FMC, it's nothing, Joe. Like if you ever sell it like CPI, you'll understand the right. Nothing.
NFP and FMC just moved two ways because there's another event that is orchestrated. Stay humble, stay like that. I don't know. I'm not humble now.
Karawa, you're very humble. Stay like that. Now, then, do you know spec of FMC? I've been trading CPI. You know what? Like, I'm not gonna tell you what I can get CPI. But then the digital winner, I'm gonna tell you my story. Ninja knows the story of CPI. Hey,
when you trade with people, they will lose. You don't even. Last time you 70K, or closer broker, it's a Mesa save. I don't know what is it that you're gonna close.
Para que blue cherry, who is Carabo? Hey, let me give the Carabo.
Why Bobby Tagali loud, boy? Oh, when I'm on the DM, all right.
I feel like
that person right when he says K.
No, they don't know me. Not about it.
Did you guys have a
gin? Oh, had gin.
Oh, a gin. I have to prepare some other session now. You know, overseas people this time go on our shop now. Now I wanna sleep. So I need to teach them and I'm gonna sleep around 1, 2 there. Don't be surprised when 100K in the middle of the night. Just know it's after that last. Nah, I feel like him, man.
Yeah, well, no. Now I think I'm gonna sleep like around 10. Now I just but like no,
Yeah,
like I serious,
10.
like
You,
I don't wanna
you,
like
10, 10.
more
Blue,
like 10.
you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll leave it.